Have you ever tried Brussels sprouts? They're a superfood loaded with health benefits, but the key is figuring out how to make them taste amazing. My recipe for Brussels sprouts is actually super easy, but my son calls them gourmet. The first step is to cut your Brussels sprouts in half. Next, you make a sauce using olive oil, garlic, balsamic vinegar, and maple syrup. Put your Brussels sprouts in a glass baking dish and mix it well with the sauce. Bake at 425 degrees, first covered for the first 18 minutes and then uncovered for 5 to 10 minutes until golden brown and a little caramelized. The combination of flavors here is amazing. Brussels sprouts have anti-cancer properties and they help with metabolism of estrogens. They're also great fiber for the good bacteria in your microbiome. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day.